Do you want to know how to style natural fussy hair? I mean, the hair has never been retouched before. You want to know how to wash and set it? Watch this video till the end. These are the 4 hair conditioner I'm going to be using. They are all leave-in hair conditioner. So I'm applying all this hair conditioner to soften the hair. So after doing this, then I'm going to use finally, because the what I'm applying last now is Styling Used. We all know what Styling Used does to our hair is very good. So like I said before, this is 4C natural hair. It has never been retouched before. It has never been relaxed before. So here is my Lotta body setting lotion. We all know that means this Lotta body is 2 types. There's one you can use it as treatment, just for treatment, but another one as a hair setting lotion. So the one of setting lotion is made from coconut. This is what I'm using now. And yeah, this is the rollers I'm going to be using to roll the hair from beginning till the end. Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope fine. This is the first time I'm coming across my channel. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for stopping by. My channel subscriber, thank you so much for your endless support, and please do us a favor, like our video, comment, and also help us to share. This is the only way you can support us, guys. Thank you so much. So it doesn't necessarily mean that it must be this kind of rollers you use. You can use any kind of rollers that you feel is okay for you to handle. Right, this is my first time of using this particular one, and I also use you can also use these human hair rollers. You know, anyone you can do, just use it. So I bought this one. I ordered it online. It was my first time of using it, and yeah, I'm happy it goes well. Although some of the plastic from the rollers, they do cut at times. It's not really that strong. You know, it's not like the human hair, the one you use for human hair, to roll human hair. It's really different from that one. If you don't know how to use this kind of rollers, or if you've not done it before, I would advise you use the human hair rollers to be perfect. So this is how it is. It's time to dry, and I'm going to be using my standard dryer to dry this hair. So here we are done. This is the hair food I'm going to apply, and before I brought her out from dryer, I apply it before in the dryer for the dryer to dry the hair cream in the hair properly. You understand? So now I'm just going to comb a lot of parts from the hair, because I'm going to pack it, because I'm not going to leave the hair for too long open like this. You know, it's winter time over here, so we don't need to expose our hair for a long time to avoid a breaking of hair. So after doing this back now, I'm just going to pack it and style it. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in our next video. Thank you so much for your time, and bye for now. God bless you for your support.